binary broker. This broker is on the Tech Financials platform. Okay, so I've just deposited. I deposited via credit card. For Australians, there are three main options: credit card, bank wire, and with bank wire, it's gonna be a minimum deposit of $1,000. Plus, you also probably have to go through a few more hoops of it not being able to trade straight away. Money bookers, you can send them manually to their money bookers email. This also probably require you to contact them on live chat to confirm the receipt. So the quickest way really is to deposit via credit card. It would have been good if they have some other options like Poly, but most people do have credit cards. Okay, so we'll go into their trading room. Okay, so Tech Financials has a slightly different layout to what you might see with other brokers or other platforms like Spot Option. Okay, so the high-low is where you get all your classic call puts. Then there's the one-touch version. Then it has the boundary option. And then there's this new feature of short-term option, which is basically another way of saying 60 seconds. Okay, so let's go through and we'll just be doing a dummy trade. The minimum deposit is I think $24, or the minimum trade is $24 with 24 option. Also, you can only trade in USD, British pounds, euros, and I think another one, but unfortunately you can't trade in Australian dollars. Okay, so here you've got all your assets. It's the way the layout is, it actually lists the assets in order of the next expiration or next expiry time. So currently this batch here are going to expire at 1:30, and then the next one will be 15 minutes from now. There's also other options here of at the end of the day, or tomorrow, or in a week. Okay, so you've got, this is the current price of the asset, where you want to choose a high or a low. So let's say we want to choose a high, the graph loads up here. So this is where you get a detailed look of the graph. So you probably want to have another chart open so you can actually see what's happening. Okay, so just for the sake of this video, we'll do a low or a put. So we want to fall below the current strike price. I'll put in $24 trade. So our return will be 77%. So if we win, we'll get our 24 back plus another 77% on that. So we'll click buy. Alright, that's now gone in. Okay, so You can see in the My Open Trades here that trades in here. So if you want to actually see how it's going, so if we were to put in another trade as well, it would flick back up and show in this area here. Alright, their support's quite good. You can contact them via phone. I don't think they have an Australian number to contact. No, they don't. So your best option is going to be to speak to someone in English is via their UK or US number. They also have a live chat option. So we'll see how quick we get a response. So English supporters online, that's great. We'll click that. Chris, and we'll ask about short-term trade. Start the chat. Okay, so that was very, very quick. Another great thing about 24 Option is the Education Center. They have an extensive list of videos, articles, tutorials. Really one of the most comprehensive ones out there. So if you want to learn, if you are new to binary options and just want to know a bit more on trading strategies or market analysis, this is definitely a site that's going to give you a lot more information. So yeah, there you go, folks. That's the 24option.com platform. I think it's yeah, definitely a very good platform to use. You know, if you're going to wanting to deposit via credit card, it's good. If you want basically a broker with lots of information, it's good. It's not regulated as of yet, but I do believe they're going to be getting a CISIC financial license later this year. So yeah, all in all, 24option.com is definitely a good broker to use. I do recommend it. Until next time, may all your trades be profitable.